We separate our money. We do not have our money in just one bank account. And this is how you can have more control over your money. The first one is for expenses. So you gotta learn what is a need and what is a want. Ladies, a really good shoe sale is not a need. That is a want. The second bank account that you wanna have totally separate from your expenses is reserves. This is a whole building block. We're gonna talk tomorrow all about reserves. Get out of the mindset of having emergencies and being afraid of emergencies. Number 3 bank account is plan. This is for longer term spending. Things like trips, if you're saving for a trip, or holidays. The next account is fun. This is putting a certain amount aside that you can spend on whatever you want. The next account is gonna be taxes. So if you own your own business, this is very important. If you have a business, you've got to have a separate business account. Those bank accounts are expenses, reserves, plan, fun, taxes, and business.